next. For number 15, this is circle theorem. Okay, A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. So when the angle of this is based on the circle theorem, 64. So this one also will be 64 degree. And then angle A, B, C, D. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Now, because this is cyclic quadrilateral, because this is cyclic quadrilateral, so the angle opposite, the opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral add up into 180. So to find the angle ABC is 180 minus 64, which is 116 degree. So this is 116 degree because ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, next. Okay. This is simultaneous equation. Okay, so we have the first equation. We use substitution. So 7 minus y 3y, 7 minus 3y square minus y square equal to 39. So expand this one, so it's 49 minus 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 times 7, negative 42y plus 9y square minus y square equal to 39. Move everything to the left side and simplify. 9y square minus y square is 8y square minus 42y plus 49 minus 39 equal to 0. So 8y square minus 42y plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, simplify, divided by 2. So this has become 4y square minus 21y plus 5 equal to 0, right? Okay, so then we have, okay, so this is 4y, y, this is 5, 1, both a minus. Okay, so 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So we have y equal to 1 over 4, or y minus 5 equal to 0. So y equal to 5. Next, find the value of x. Because we have x equal to 7 minus 3y, so when y equal to 1 over 4, so we have x equal to 7 minus 3 over 4, which is 28 minus 3, it's 25 over 4. And then when y equal to 5, we have x equal to 7 minus 3 times 5. 7 minus 15 is negative 8. Okay, so x will be 25 over 4. This is 1 over 4. This is negative 8, and this is 5. Okay, next. Okay, nah, perpendicular bisector. You know what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? Okay, I give you the illustration. Let's say I have point A here, this is point B here. I draw the line segment of AB. Now so we call perpendicular means the line, the other line is perpendicular to the other to a line AB, sorry. So perpendicular to line AB and then passes through A. So the coordinate of A is 3, 5, and then coordinate of B is 1, -7. So the line that perpendicular to AB is like this because it passes through A, right? Now, so find the equation of this line, the red one. Okay, so the first one we have to find the gradient. Okay, so find gradient of AB. Gradient AB, remember y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So then we have -7 minus 5 over 1 minus 3. So this is negative 12 over -2 is 6. And then the gradient of this line, the perpendicular one, you know that two lines are perpendicular each other. So line 1 perpendicular to line 2. Therefore, M2 is equal to negative 1 over M1. So, M2 equal to negative 1 over 6. So, now we have equation y equal to mx plus c. So, y equal to negative 1 over 6x plus c. Because passes through A. So, the point 3, 5. So this is 5 equal to negative 1 over 6 times 3 plus c. So we have 5 equal to negative 1 over 2 plus c. So we have c equal to 5 plus 1 over 2 is 5 1 over 2. So the equation will be y equal to negative 1 over 6 x plus 5 1 over 2. Or yeah, so this one the answer, negative 1 over 6x plus 5 1 over 2. Next. Okay, yep. Okay. A car travel at a constant, this is talking about upper bound and lower bound, yeah. The car is travel with the distance 146.2 meter, correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, so you have upper bound, because this is correct to 1 decimal place, means the upper bound should be 2 decimal places. So 146.25, and then the lower bound will be 146.15. And then the time, this is the distance, and then for the time is 7 seconds, nearest to second. So the upper bound is 7.5, and then the lower bound is 6.5. Now find the upper bound of the speed. Okay, so to find the speed or velocity is distance over time, but which pair to get upper bound? So we have to use, because this is speed over time, so we have to use the upper bound for the speed and the lower bound for the time to get the upper bound of the speed. So 146.25 over 6.5. Calculated one. 146.25 divided by 6.5, so the answer is 22.5. So it's 22.5 meter per second. Okay, yep. This is curve, sketching the curve of cos. Okay, cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, yeah, cos 180 is negative 1, and then cos 270 is 0, cos 360 also 1. So the curve okay. Yep. Next. Okay. How to solve this? So simplify. So we have 4 cos x equal to 3 minus 1. Minus 2. Yeah. So 3 minus 2. So then we have 4 cos x equal to 1. So this is cos x equal to 1 over 4. So how to find x? So x equal to cos inverse of 1 over 4. Okay. So we have x equal to cos inverse of 1 over 4 is 75. Okay, 75.5. Now remember with the rule for cos, because there are two values. Yeah, so the rule for cos, when we have cos x equal to cos theta, yeah, so we have x equal to plus minus theta plus 360k. Yeah, so this is the rule for cos. So this is become plus minus 75.5 plus 360k. Why we put 360k? Because cos x, function cos x is cyclic function, so there is a periodic. So when we put the positive 1, so we have x equal to 75.5 plus 360k. So when k is 0, so x equal to 75.5. And then for the negative 1, it's negative 75.5 plus 360k. So when k equal to 1, x equal to 360 minus 75.5 is 284.5. So that's the answer, 75.5 and 284.5. Last page. Okay. Okay, this is completing the square. Completing the square, so we have rule. Yeah, so this one, the rule, when x square plus bx plus c, yeah, the rule of completing square, this is x plus half of the b square and then minus b over 2 square plus c. So use this one to do this one. Okay, so we have x squared minus 12x plus a. Convert into completing the square, so this will become x minus 12 over 2 square minus 12 over 2 square plus a. So then this is become x minus 6 square minus 6 square is 36 plus a. Now this one, because this is equal to x plus b square, means we have b equal to negative 6 and the and negative 36 plus a, this is equal to 0. A equal to 36, so it's 36, b is negative 6. Next, okay, xy equal to 3a plus 2b. Okay, so look at zy. Yeah, zy is 6a plus 4b. If we factorize the 6 and 4, we have common factor, it's 2. So this is 3a plus 2b. Now 3a plus 2b is 2xy. So rather than two statements, so the first we can say that z, vector zy is parallel is parallel to vector xy, and then they are collinear. Why it's collinear? Because they start from, they passes through, so we can say x, y, and z is on a line, or in line, on the line. Oops. On the single straight line.